So here we got the diagnostic menu. Gonna look the same whether we're working on a Volvo or whether we're working on a Merc or anything else. First thing we can do is come and read the fault. Straightforward how we present that. You got the manufacturer fault code, details, and you can tell if you've got additional info. And Jaltest does provide a lot of good technical info. Certainly impossible to have it on everything, just the immense amount of material required, but it is tons. I mean, there's your freeze frame, technical info I can see I got, and then even some troubleshooting stuff. And some nice, basic troubleshooting. Going to take you through, really basic steps to advance depending on what the fault is. Identify the appropriate FMI, whatever, right? So check the crankshaft revolution sensor. And give us some steps here. Is there still a problem? Yes, there's a problem. Absolutely, we got a problem. Here's some valid data. Check the revolution sensor. Troubleshooting guide for me. Did you detect it? No, I didn't. Right, so on and so forth, right? So check the control units, and so on. So it'll take us through little troubleshooting steps to try to help you get through it. Right, so let's take a look here at a system check. It asks you which cylinder or an injector coating. You got to type in the codes. Compression test might run on its own, but it's going to tell you what's going to happen. The instructions are specific. Right, so the next step is going to tell us whether the initial conditions. So the engine's got to be stopped, and it's got some coolant temperature we've got to hit here too. Battery charged, right? So after meeting that, now we've got instructions to run the test. So here we've got a few things to do. Turn the ignition key, and results appear, right? So there's our compression. We can tell. Obviously, we're not connected here to the actual engine, so it's just the results, but specifically what they look like. Right, we're done. Turn off the ignition. You can start timers. It's going to help you make sure you actually can wait seconds. We can't. Right, so there's our results. We've got it, and off we go. So I'm here that everything recorded into a work order for you. Documents everything that's in place. There's the faults, there's the measurements, there's a compression test. So yeah, so that's a quick look at the VOLVO Penta D6. If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.